Hey there, guys. This is Mr. G. I just wanted to welcome you back. This is the virtual class and online learning experience. I guess we're going to start off this week with just a quick video, and there will be a quiz afterwards. So pay attention. All right. So uh, I wanted to welcome you back from your extended spring break, and now, in order to do all of these virtual classes, you're going to have to become really I guess, familiar with a new type of program, and you're going to be able to put it on your phone and your laptops and even on your tablets. It's called Microsoft Teams. Now, like I said, this is going to be the most powerful tool that you have at your disposal, that we have at our disposal to do this online learning. So, in order to access online learning, well, you're going to have to do a couple of things. All right, so let's start off with the internet. Okay, so um, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your school email. Now, in order to do that, I want you to go to the VISD website, and then you go to students, and of course to VISD email. Now, once you click in that, it's going to ask you to log in, and you have to put in your email. You know how your email is made. If you don't, uh, call the school or call someone else. You can even email me. No, well, I guess you can't email me because you haven't gotten on your email, and they will help you get your email. Also, the password that you have for your email is the same password that you use to get onto the computers at school. So let's go on. So you go to student and go to VISD email, then you log in. So after you've logged in, you get to your email, and here is just an example of my email. Of course, mine's in dark mode, so it may look a little different from yours. But you go to Outlook right here where it says Outlook, and there's this little thing here called the App Launcher. Now, the App Launcher, it's just a grid of 3x3 squares. And when you click on that, it shows you all of your other apps that are included in your email. See, the district, uh, pays for this Microsoft Office 365 uh, suite, I guess you could call it. And all of this stuff is available online. And the number one thing that I want you to see is Teams. This is the program that we are going to use to hold classes. Now, Teams is basically just a program that gets groups of people together or groups from any kind of a company together so that they can work in different teams. Now, here on the side, of course, I've already downloaded it. So you won't be here, but in yours, it'll say, or have a little icon here that says download app. And when you do that, you can download it onto your desktop, and you see I've already done that. So let me go ahead and minimize this and show you the Teams app. All right, so this is the Teams app. And the Teams app has all of my classes here. Of course, it'll have all of your classes, your English, your math, your science. And what you do is you click on one, and in there, and let me go ahead. I've created a class right here. It's just a test class so I can show it to you. You click on there, and in here is where you're going to find your assignments, the files that I share with you, and you can even start a conversation with me or with uh, all of your teachers by texting right here. Hey, Mr. G, when is this due, or what can I do this? And speaking of when is this due, I will put in let's say I create an assignment, and let's see. And let's say I have an assignment here called What is Graphic Design? So you'll be able to click on this and complete the assignment, then turn it in. Of course, it says zero reviewed because I haven't assigned it yet. Now, another thing is that when I create this assignment, or when I created it, I put it on the calendar. So you go to your calendar, and I believe that you can see in your calendar when grades are due, and also when the grade closes out. Some of your teachers may not accept late work. Some may not let you turn it in past a certain date. So that's up to you. Now let me go back to my team here. And so here is where you find all of your teams. Now, here we have the chat and activity. Now I'm not going to click on those because there's going to be a lot of people's names in there that I've been chatting with, people in the district. Now, you can chat with all of your teachers from there, either from the class or from the chat tab. Also, you can make calls. Now, when you click on calls, you can just type in the name of the person that you want to call, like a video chat with one of your teachers. And then you can place a video chat call or even an audio call with them and speak to them if you have any questions about what's going on and you feel like maybe it'll take too long to do the chat feature. All right. So now we've talked about the calls and the chat and the teams and all that. And this is really good. To me, this is the best way to work on it if you're on a laptop, maybe a computer and a tablet, the phone. All right, so now you can go to the App Store on iPhone and download the Microsoft Teams app. You can also go to the Play Store on Google, and I believe the Microsoft Store for if you have a Microsoft device. There aren't too many Microsoft phones left around there, but you can download the Microsoft Teams app. Now, what you're going to need to log into the Teams app once you get it on your phone is your school email and your password. So you enter your school email and password, and then you'll be able to access almost all of these features, even doing your homework on a phone, tablet, or laptop or desktop computer. Now, just makes it really easy because you don't have to be at home. You could be out for a walk and chat with one of your teachers. You can be sitting in the car waiting for your mom to come out of the store, and you can work on a homework assignment. This is a really neat program, and you can take it anywhere with you. Now, one thing you do need to have is internet connection. And of course, one of these 4 devices that I talked about, the phone, the tablet, the desktop or laptop. And another thing is the calendar that's on the app. You can also get to by downloading the Outlook app for the iPhone and Android and Microsoft, of course. Now, if you download the Outlook app, all of your school emails are going to show up on there, and the calendar is on there too. So this is really versatile. It's really helpful. And honestly, I think it's going to make this distance learning a lot easier. Now, the thing is, you do have to make sure and check these emails and chats and phone calls multiple times a day, because this is your school now. Your phone or your laptop or your desktop is now your school. So pay attention to it. Keep your notifications on so that you can find out, or you know right away when someone's trying to get a hold of you. Now, I don't think that students can chat or text from person to person. Of course, if you already know that student, you can just give them a call, or chat or text with them on a personal basis. We're going to keep the Microsoft Teams open for school stuff only. Now, a lot of your teachers may create some videos, and the videos are really cool. Now, let me go back to my Microsoft Teams here. Now, the videos are really cool because a lot of them are made by your teachers to help instruct you. Me, myself, I've already got a YouTube channel. I've already got a lot of instructional videos out there. Now, I'm going to keep making these, and I'm going to put them on YouTube also. But I want you to know that I'm also going to be putting them on Stream, or at least link them to Stream. So let's talk about Stream. You click here, and you see how you've got all of these different apps. Now, I'm going to go to Office 365, and I'm going to find Stream. Stream is where you can actually get to. Of course, it's not on this one. Let me go back to my email and click on Stream. Here it is. Now, Stream is just like YouTube, but it is for our school. Well, not all our school, but we have channels. You can have a stream channel for each of your classes, and even VISD or Victoria West is going to have a stream channel too. And I'll post another video on how to get to that. All right, so let me go ahead and minimize this and let you know that hey, we're starting this fresh. Not everyone's going to get it at the beginning, but I'm sure by the second or third week we're going to be doing great. We got to learn to crawl before we run, and I just want you to just stay calm, carry on. Everything's going to be fine. And remember that if you have any questions, you can always contact the school, contact your teachers if you have a way of doing it. If you have your email already up and running, contact me. I'm here. And of course, you can always go to your teacher's website on the Victoria West page. And I guess I should go back to that. All right. So if you go to the internet, I use Chrome. I'm just a big Chrome user. You can go to vwhs.visd.net, and that is the Victoria West website. Now, okay, I guess I didn't do a good job at that. All right, so now here you can go to campus staff and look for the department that your class is in, or that your teacher's in. Go to career and technical education for mine, and then of course you click on my face and you'll get to my website. Now, on your teacher's website, you're going to find a way to get to the syllabus, get to some of the work, and maybe even get to the teams. It depends on which teacher decides to post what. All right, so that's me, Mr. G, signing out. Keep calm. Everything's going to be fine, and carry on. Bye.